Hi vlog, we're here at the airport and I'm gonna buy my favorite airport food. Let's go. Bye! Ako lang yung magbo-board sa back ng plane. Kaloka, nakiwalay ako sa mga kaibigan ko. Let's go! Guys, look.
Sorry, this one is not.
Wala kong katabi. Sana kayong buong row.
All emergency exits are indicated by a red exit sign.
Touchdown Berlin. Feeding program. Pengi.
Sarap yan. Saan yan? Pinano, mangga?
Ay, ang sarap! Parang crinkles!
Ang sarap. Tapos ang dami niya.
Sarap! Nasaan niya? Sarap!
Oo.
Wow, pretty! Ganda pala dito. Ganda yun. Nag-moment. Puso ko. Ay, clouds lang yata. Hi vlog, look at this. Wow, ganda! Ganda! Masabangin kami, masabangin kami. Wow! 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 Switzerland yun. Dumilim.
Ito, parang, kaya na ba matatapos ng mga puno?
Ngayon na yun. Joke malayo.
Or pag ganito?
Kita yung bundok.
Parang walami?
Oo nga eh. Wala na, madilim na. Video kayo dyan. Yes! Pang reels. Yes!
Ganda dyan, Bing!
Yes!
Ganda!
Hi vlog! We're finally here at Matawid kasi. Hi vlog! We're finally here at Villa Basa. After what of traveling in 5 different buses. My God, we made it. We did it! Yay! Welcome to Dolomite! Here's our ACOM. Wow, you can hear the kuligligs. They're so loud. 1. Ayan ba? Room tour. Wow. This is our bathroom. And this is the first bed. We have a mini kitchen. There's a ref. There's a stove as well. And we have a dining. And we have TV. Wow! May balcony tayo! We have a balcony. Wow. You can hear the kuligligs there. And there's another room here. And there's our bed. Yay! Super nice. Maganda to. Hi vlog, kakain na kami. Finally! 8:30 na. Here's our ACOM, Casa Rosa. And yan yung view namin. Oh, di ba ganda? Sino ka dyan? Let's go! Dinner na. Can you hear that? Can you hear? It's super nice. Finally at the restaurant, Mexico City. Makakakain na din. Let's go. It's like a Texan restaurant. Let's go. Table for 5, please. There you go. Yay! Good morning, hikers! Let's go to Lake Bryas. It's raining. Foggy din. Ayun o, foggy. Let us go. We're waiting for bus going to Lago de Bryas. Kaya lamig? Kaya? Kaya naman. Hotel Erika. Good morning vlog! Welcome to Lago de Bryas. Sana. Let's go. Let's have some coffee first. Pretty, what? Wow! Switzerland. What? Charot. It's raining.
Pero mas preferred ko ng mga malalaki na flag.
So cute!
Na baka vlog. Ah, okay.
Ay!
yan? Pap? Kain, kain, kain. Yun na yung lake ko. Tama ba?
Picture muna tayo. My God, so pretty. Oh. Oh God. Ganda. Tamang row lang.
This one you have to turn around. Okay. Now you always pedal back to me and then you go out of the water. Yeah?
Go, Pao! Wow, pretty! Yeah, sabay na. Very good! Very good! Oh, wala. Bumabalik ulit. Kami, mga ganda lang kami. Oo, Gina-guide lang namin sila. Woo!
Navigator.
Nabigyan ako kayo. Tao, ikaw na. Umiikot kasi mag-isa. Let's go. Umiikot mag-isa eh.
Mga manibela dito.
That yung background. Oo, go. For the picture. Let's go. Laban para makarating doon. May penalty na tayo.
Ano natin, ancestor.
Hi vlog, we're done with the canoe. How was your experience?
Really nice. Nakakatakot. Hindi pa na nakakatakot. Masaya. Kinabag kasi ako eh. Kinabag ako sa kaba dahil kay Paulo.
Let's go. Let's hiking na mga beer. Star Trek. Joke. This is not yet the trail pala. We're just walking around the lake. Look, so pretty. Mamaya pa yung trail. Doon pa siya. May church dito. Oops! Madulas. Ingat. There's a restaurant here, I think. Yes, this is a restaurant pala. Doon tayo mag-lunch, char. Feeling ko late na tayo makaka-lunch. Here's the lake. Star Trek. Let's go. Thank you. This is the jump off to the trail path 1 of Lago de Brais. There are a lot of cows. Cow. It's how it's really nice. Ikaw din. Cute. Hello. Medyo pataas na po. Napasukan ng bato. Ano mga bikaya pa ba? Kaya pa natin yan. Okay. Smile. Parang mali. Wait lang. And... Oh! Mams, wait lang. Okay. Pagod na ako. Kasi baka mamaya. Laban natin yan. Basta feeling mo makakababa pa tayo.
Path lang naman yun.
Oo, same path lang.
Kasi yung, kita niyo yung mga nag-hike dito. May mga bags sila. Baka may pang ganyan talaga. Oh my God. Hi vlog, pagod na kami. Hanggang dito lang kami. Nawawala na si Paolo and Jana. Kasi naman, sabi na wag maghiwalay. Nani? Hindi ko na kaya. No. Paolo! Kota na kami sa picture. Guys, we're here at the top. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan, ganda. Bana kami. Pretty, oh. Nice. It's raining again. Ano mo naman kung gaano kaganda. This scene feels like what I want. Someone to scream. I search Dolomites green. Hi vlog, we're here at the cows. Oops. We're just waiting for our friends. We're just sightseeing with the cows. They're so peaceful. Sana all cow. Sana cow na lang kami. Welcome back mga bee! Saan na kayo nang galing? Ayun na sila. Ay nako. Kain na muna tayo. The cows are racist. No, they stay with each other lang. With their kauri. Oh, look. They're sorted by kind. Diba? Oo nga, kawawa naman siya. Racist talaga ito mga cow na to. Kawawa naman yung black. Hi vlog! Tambay lang here. Hey! Pagod. Pagod na. Uwi na kami. Union Church. Basta.
Sabay.
Guys, tingnan nyo, ang laki ng Maggi aroma. Wow. Kain. Ciao, Lago de Brais. Thank you so much for the experience of that half hike. See you next time.
by Cows and Dogs of Dolomites. Switzerland din to eh. Grindelwald. Welcome to Grindelwald, Char. Ganda oh. Nice. Pagod na pagod. Pagod yun. Hi guys, we're here at the Biaco. This is like their center. Nandito lang mga bukas na egg lovers. Go-grocery kami here at Eurosmith. Let's go. Make sure na still water. Ayan, naturale. Naturale. Yes, 5. Perfect. Next to cup noodles. Covers na. Ano pa pwedeng din? Quinoa. Ito yung parang mga ready-made meal eh. Risonero. Oh! Bongga. Risotto, tas may speck.
Hindi ako makakakain kasi ang dami pa niya. Ay, kuha pa ko. Ayan. Kuha na kayo. Kuha lang kayo kung gusto niyo. Oopsie. Wala. Hindi siya masyado maasim. Ito may suka.
Lemon. Good morning! Hiking day 3! We're going to Trecime di Lavaredo. It's called Three Peaks. Let's go. Sinadjust lang to ng aming host ng accommodation. Let's go! Lamig, B! Kabag tayo today. O, kita chan. Shoot kami ng middle of the road video. Oh, napakaganda naman kasi dito. Tingnan mo. Tapos kami lang yung tao dito. It's only us.
Nakatakot.
Wow! Naluha na ako. Naluha ako, B! Yay! Pinayagan kami bumili ng shuttle bus. Yes. Swerte! Swerte ang mga ano, mga beshi. Yes. It's for 20 euros. But if you book online, it's only 18. You can check it online. Thanks. Let's go!
Can we skip to the good part?
What's up, vlog? Look at this. And then, let's see ano pang meron doon. Look guys, oh. They wrote names using stones. Sana may CR. Super ganda dito. Gabi. Oh. Kita mo yan? Kita mo yan? Ganda niyan. Good part. The view from the resto. Look. Very panoramic view. Wow. Sino ka dyan? Star Trek guys with our main tour guide Jana Tevez. Let's go. Star Trek. Go. Sana all. Sana all. Mag-holding hands sa drawings. Hindi tayo na mag-holding hands. Ito na naman si Jana, the flowerist. Let's go, trekking people of Dolomites. Yan, it's sunny. You know what guys, our visit here is we're super lucky and it's just in time, I think. The season is right, the weather is nice. We actually figured out our way. Kasi ito lang yung travel ko na as in walang plano at all. Alam niyo yun? Yung bahala na. Oo, very spontaneous. Naa-anxious na kaya ako nung isang araw. Sabi ko kay Pao, hala, paano yun? Pero pagdating dito, umaayon ang lahat. So, para sa amin talaga to. Alabish, what happened? There are a lot of fog na. Kanina it's clear pa eh. Grabe fog, you know. Susuungin ba natin yan? G. Let's go. We're going there. Sorry po, we're so bagal. Sorry naman oh. Sorry naman. Vloggerist. Lucky! Lucky, so ganda. These are some of the places that looks unreal. Unreal! Few months ago, I'm only seeing these places on TikTok. And right now, I'm here. Oh my God. Yung may sound na. Tan, 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 tan. Yon. Look, look, look. Dolomites. Wow. Wow. Lucky. Ala, ang ganda dun. Ala, picture tayo dun. Pag umalis to. Ayun na, palis na sila, Grabe oh. Ten. Ten, 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 ten. Ma'am, siyang ganda! Oh, titingnan ko pa lang kayo sa malayo. Ang ganda na eh. Wala na, fog na. Oh. Wala na tayo makita. We're waiting for the fog to disappear so that we can take photos here, but I don't think it will.
Wala na yung mga kasama na.
Yeah. Ito na kami. Ganda, no? Nice. We're here at this restaurant, Lavaredo. Maybe we'll have lunch here. Let's see. Hi vlog, we're done eating here at Lavaredo's. And to try to go back to the area where we came from earlier to take nice photos. Maybe the fog is gone, but yeah, there's still a bit of a fog. Hopefully we'll manage. Dan 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 dan. Wait lang. Places that looks unreal, Italy version. Dolomites. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Wala nang fog. There's no fog anymore. We can take more photos na. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Resident photographer, Jana. Family sila, cute. Mother, father, and son. Cute. TikTokerists. Hi vlog. We're on our way home. Let's go. Kapagod. Pero super worth it. Look at that! Oh my God! Saka makakita ng ganyan. Last night with this view. Going to Venice, Grand Canal. Hi vlog! After 6 hours of travel, we're finally here at Venice. Kain muna. Our train was delayed for 1 hour and they only gave us a piece of crackers for compensation. Baka naman. Hi guys, picnic lang kami dito for the Asian food. This is the Ponte de Rialto Bridge. This is the bridge from Spider-Man Far From Home. Wow! Salampak pa more. Waiting for train here at Venice St. Lucia Station. Boarding na! Bye guys! Bye! Uy, bye-bye na kayo sa vlog. Bye!